How can I debug OpenStack Dashboard? I'm running the OpenStack cloud system. I installed and deployed the Kilo version on the server successful, but this is only the default version of OpenStack. So that, I want to have some modifiers on this OpenStack source and add more features to it. I started to change something with the OpenStack dashboard. However, there are some problems happened. Therefore, I have debugged this Django web application. Everything I have configured is the same as the official tutorials on the OpenStack website, this URL. So, I have searched on my server and find out two places that have the sources. The first one is break time equals ones, greater than. The second one is break time equals ones, greater than, and the config file is /etc/openstack dashboard /local_settings.py. I set the option debug equals true in local_settings.py file. On the server I type these commands. Here is the output. But in the browser, it shows the error. And then, on the console, it shows. Please help me to get out of this problems. And how can to debug OpenStack Django website properly. Thank you very much.
As you run server by run server command, you should go to the root URL like 127.0.0.128,000/ not 127.0.0.128,000/horizon. The difference is in running method. When you installed OpenStack_dashboard, there is Apache config that listen to address, this URL, look into the directories. Break time equals ones, greater than, is like the framework for all dashboards. Break time equals ones, greater than, is the default dashboard for OpenStack. /etc/openstack dashboard /local_settings.py. The config file for dashboard. Here you can apply changes for default dash, for example attach your project that modifies or extends default dash. So, your problem will be solved if you follow that link, this URL for debugging use. PDB or IDE with integrated debugger.
Follow this link. This URL. Once this is done, add PDB statements to your code that you wish to debug. Go into the Horizon folder and run the following command /run_tests.sh run server 127.0.0.1 port_number. Instead of localhost you can put in the IP address where Horizon is running.
I have written the OpenStack documentation for debugging dashboards using PyCharm. It is good for any OpenStack dashboard including Horizon, this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.